My name is Christopher. I'm with CK Customs PA. I'm also an admin on our Facebook group, the Cricut Help Desk, where we do different tutorials, classes, and unboxing videos of different products. And this product that we actually just got in is a Christmas themed mystery box from 143 Vinyl. They sold a bunch of these for their um, early Black Friday sale. The contents are unknown to us at the moment, so we're going to go ahead and open it up and find out what's inside. Move my mouse out of the way. Did anybody else get order one of the Christmas mystery boxes? That's just some paper they use to keep it from moving around. Order slip. A couple of candy canes that didn't make the trip. It's all right. Nothing wrong with broken candy. I was also checking the box a little bit thoroughly. One of their employees had lost a ring, and there's a chance it's in one of the packages. So, let's see what we got. That side. Inside, the Christmas mystery box for 2020 is one exclusive acrylic ornament, just unwrapped. We have two acrylic ornaments there. So one's a penguin. So we got our two ornaments. We have some mini tassels. It looks like the chains for the mini tassels. And the ball chain hardware, yep. We have a garden flag. Garden and one wood garden flag hanger. White large gift bag. So here is our blank garden flag. Now, we get down into our stuff. Interesting. All right. So this is a ring. This is used for opening actual rings for putting on like a metal ring around jewelry and stuff, so you can actually lace it through like holes and then close it back up without damaging your fingers or anything like that. Really interesting on that one. There's two of those. Okay, so this is Caesar's PSV transfer tape, 12 by 12 sheets. Then we have the big guy here. This is Caesar Red Glitter, 12 by 20 sheet. That's pretty. I do love my glitter. And then we have This is our StarCraft Soft Flex Bright Red 12 by 12 sheet. StarCraft Soft Flex Black 12 by 12 sheet. The StarCraft HD Matte Tiffany Blue 12 by 12 sheets. StarCraft HD Matte Metallic Silver. This is the Gloss White StarCraft HD 12 by 12 sheets. This one is StarCraft, so that'd be considered the old gold, I guess. Yep. So this is StarCraft HD Gloss Old Gold. This is StyleTech Ultra Glitter Emerald Green. You see that glitter in the camera. That is pretty. And then we have our StarCraft Gloss Black. And this will be our Caesar PSV, or no, it just says PSV Glitter Flame Red. So this is a nice glitter on it. So that is a permanent vinyl. This is the glitter in gold. Another PSV, so another permanent vinyl. Some really interesting vinyls in there. All right, and that was what we got with our Christmas mystery box from 143 Vinyl. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Happy crafting!